Good morning, students. I hope all you are well and fine, and everything is going on very well. So, today our discussing topic will be transformation of sentence, direct and indirect narration. What do you understand by direct and indirect narration? Suppose there are two persons, they are talking. For example, Ram and Mohan, both are talking. Okay, I would like to, suppose you think he is Ram. Okay, this is Ram. I am trying to explain to you about narration. Okay, remember that about narration. This is Ram and this is Mohan. Okay, this is Ram and this is Mohan. Okay, so Ram is a speaker. Suppose Ram is a speaker and it is Ram spoke and Mohan heard. Mohan heard. Okay. Mohan heard. And what he heard, he narrated. He narrates. Remember, Ram is a speaker. And Mohan is heard what Ram has spoken. Okay. Now he become a narrator. Okay, narrator means the person one who is narrates. He is being called a narrator. So another third person is there. Another third person is there. Maybe it is Mira. Maybe it is Mira. So this chain, how it goes, something that spoke to Mohan and Mohan heard that, at the same time Mohan narrates that to other audience. Suppose this is Mira and he can speak, means Mohan can speak. Mohan can speak in two ways. Mohan can speak in two ways. One way, that is exact word that is spoken by Ram. Mohan can narrate what he heard, that is exactly how Ram spoke. That is called direct. Okay, that is called direct. And another narration is there that Mohan can speak to Mira. Okay, what he heard from Ram, or what he read from his letter, either from his biography, that he would say in different way to Mira. That is called according to his language. According to his language. That is called indirect. That is called indirect. That is called indirect. Okay. Now you see here. Ram is the speaker and Mohan is hearer. At the same time, Mohan spoke in two ways. one way is direct and another way is indirect. So again I would like to tell you something that how you can understand. Okay, how you can understand that I would like to explain you a little bit. Anna. Okay, so now you see there Mohan. So again I would like to explain you the same thing. Okay, the same thing means suppose as I told you, now Mohan is here. Mohan speaks, okay, to Meera. To Meera. Okay, Mohan speaks to Meera. है ना? Mohan speaks to Meera. Now you see, Mohan can describe. Mohan can describe. Mohan can describe in a two way. In a two way. Okay. One is he would repeat. He would repeat. He would repeat the same sentence. He would repeat the same word or sentence that is spoken by Ram. Okay? Now Ram is the speaker and Mohan is the hearer. At the same time, Mohan also narrate to Meera what he heard. Okay, so he can speak in two ways or he can narrate in two ways. Number one, he can narrate that the word, repeated word, means how Ram spoke and what word and what sentence used by Ram, the same will be copied. Okay, the same will be copied. That is called direct speech. Direct speech. Okay, so just I want to make you difference direct and indirect. Okay, I hope you have written it. If yet you didn't write, you can just take a screenshot and also you can do that. So, and another word is that, and another way is that he would not repeat. He means who? Mohan. He would, WOULD, he would not repeat. He would not he would not repeat. Okay, he would not repeat the same word, the same word. Okay, the same word. So he would use here his own word. He would use here, he would use here his own words or sentences. Okay, that is the difference of direct and indirect, and that is called indirect. Indirect speech. Okay, that is called indirect speech. So now I would like to write you the definition. Okay, I hope you have written it. If you didn't write, so I will wait you at least a few minutes. Either you can take a screenshot, then after you write. So let us write the definition. Whatever I have written, that is my own, that is my own thinking. But what the grammar of Ren Martin says, or according to that way, I would write the definition. Okay. Definition. Okay. Direct speech repeat the actual word direct speech repeat the actual word direct speech repeat the actual word. Okay, it repeats the actual word, and yes, actual word of the speaker, according to who is speaker, Ram is speaker. According to our first, definition, who is the speaker? Ram is the speaker. Okay, of the repeat the actual word of the speaker. Okay, and puts an inverted comma at the beginning, Okay, inverted comma at the beginning, at the end full stop. At the end also. Okay, how it is this? Just I want to make you clear about it. Suppose you see, they said to me, we are happy. This is, it can be put in a inverted comma, and finally we can give here full stop, है ना. You may see they speaker. Who is they? They is the speaker. Okay. And what they spoke, we are happy. So that is their exact word. That is their exact word. And somebody hear it, and when he narrate, okay, when he narrate, he used here exact word that we are happy. Means when we use exact word, when we use exact word, so such way we can use there, that we can put in inverted comma, under inverted comma. So for this video lecture, for today, this is enough, and tomorrow I will tell you about clarifying you about indirect as well as. And before ending of this video, I would like to request you, if newly you are watching, please subscribe this channel. Okay, now this day, gradually it is improving. But I request, if anyone, so you don't have to pay money, or you don't have to pay anything else. Just put your button on the subscribe, at the same time hit the bell icon. Thank you. May God bless you.